Would you believe me if I said you could get paid to watch Netflix movies? Well, don't, because that's a scam. And yet, every time you search way to make money online, that's the kind of advice that show up first. So before I show you anything, here are two truths most creators won't say out loud. First, if someone tells you can make 5 figures a month doing 10 to 15 minutes of work a day, they are either lying or leaving out the part where it took them months or years to get there. Second, by the time a secret hits your For You page, it's no longer a secret, which means success become harder. Not impossible, but harder. That doesn't mean making money online is fake. It just means simple, boring, realistic method, beat viral scam every time. I'm not here to sell you a dream. I'm here to show you what actually works for beginners, especially if you don't want to show your face, you don't want to run ads, and you don't want to invent some revolutionary idea. These are skills and systems real people are using right now. Let's start with freelance digital marketing. And no, I don't mean being an influencer. Freelance digital marketing is simply helping product get sales online. You don't need to hold the product. You don't need customer support. You don't even need a website to start. Freelance digital marketing is one form of this. You promote a product, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Most people fail here because they chase money instead of solving a problem. Posting random links won't work. What works is educational based content. For example, if you know how to use Canva, organize notes, learn a skill, save time, or explain something simple, you can create content around that and recommend tools that already exist. You are not selling, you are guiding. Companies pay billions for attention. You are just redirecting attention ethnically. Now let's talk about something people underestimate: kids coloring book. This is not about being artistic. It's about understanding demand. Think about who actually buy coloring books. Parents, teachers, caregivers. That demand doesn't disappear. It happens daily. And this is why Amazon KDP works so well. You are not dealing with inventory, shipping, or customer support. Amazon prints it and ship it. Amazon handles the money. Your only job is uploading the pages and cover. You do not need to do everything by hand. You can use Canva. Use simple shapes. Create theme books, animal, alphabet, emotions, numbers. Beginners win here because this isn't a creative game. It's a consistency game. One book might make $200 a month. 10 books can make $2,000. And once they are live, they don't stop selling when you sleep. If you are a beginner, this next one is honestly the easiest to start. You don't need big following. You don't need to show your face. And you don't need complicated setup. You just need to start selling digital products using Canva and Instagram. This is where everything comes together. Digital products are simple things like guides, templates, planners, checklists, and tutorials. You create it once and you can sell it on limited time. You don't need to be an expert. You just need one step ahead of someone else. Simple example: if you have ever figured out how to budget, learn Canva, organize your life, or start an online page, you can package that exact process. Instagram isn't for selling, it's for building trust. Short educational posts, a clear bio, and a simple funnel. That's how sales happen. Honest warning, none of this is get rich quick. It's get skilled and get consistent, but it's real and it's compound. If this clip for you and you are starting to realize that you already have something people will pay for, or you don't know yet, the only real question becomes: how do you actually set this up the right way without guessing? That's exactly why I put everything beginner need into one simple system. No fluff, no overwhelm, just the steps. It walks you through everything you need to start packaging and selling what you already know or someone else's knowledge without any audience. If you want to see how this works step by step, go to the link in the description or the pinned comment and start with the challenge. I also added a bonus for people who start today. So if you have been looking for a clear starting point, this is it.